Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm gonna build a PC, and of course it's not mine, it's my friend's. He asked me to build it for him, and not all of the parts are new. Some of the parts are used, which is his own part. Okay, let's talk about the parts. Let's start with the motherboard. The motherboard he's gonna be using is ASUS Strix B450F Gaming. The processor is gonna be Ryzen 5 3600. The RAM is G.Skill Tridentz Z RGB 16 gig to stick. 2 times 8 gig with 3600 megahertz. He's not gonna be using the stock cooler, so it's gonna be a water cooled. He's using NZXT Kraken X52 240mm liquid cooler. The SSD gonna be Apacer Panther 240 gig with Windows 10 installed already. It's his old SSD. The HDD, the hard drive, gonna be the 1 TB Seagate Barracuda. And the last, no, it's not last. And the power supply is CoolerMaster 500W non-modular. It's 80 plus, bronze or silver, I don't remember. It's already installed in the case, so I'm not sure. It's either bronze or silver. The case is gonna be using is Techwear Nexus Evo white and tempered glass, of course. I'm gonna boot it up to the BIOS. Let's wait and see. There it is. It's working. We're in the BIOS now. So I'm glad that it boot up to BIOS and of course to Windows 10 as well. So I guess that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.